Hello everybody. Today we're going to explore customary units of length. Now before we start, I want to talk about how we measure. So there's two different types of systems that we use to measure. One is metric and the other is customary. Metric is the system that most of the world uses. Actually, almost the entire world uses. And customary is the system that the United States uses and a few very small countries. Now there's three things that we focus on measuring. One is length or distance. The second one's capacity, which is how much volume is inside a container. And the third is weight or mass. When we measure length in the metric system, we use millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. When we measure length with the customary system, we use inches, feet, yard, or mile. When we measure capacity with the metric system, we use milliliters and liters. And when we measure capacity with the customary system, we have ounces, cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. Finally, when we measure weight or mass, in the metric system, we use grams and kilograms, and sometimes milligrams. And for the customary system, we use ounces, pounds, and tons. So today we're going to focus on customary units of length. So inches, feet, yards, and miles. So an inch is the smallest unit of measurement. It is about the length of a regular paper clip. A foot is about the length of the binding of a notebook. There's 12 inches in 1 foot. A yard equals 3 feet and is about the length of a baseball bat. And a mile is about 4 times around a track, and it's 1,760 yards or 5,280 feet. So what unit of measurement would we use to measure a highway? It'd be a mile. What unit of measurement would we use to measure a pencil? Well, a pencil is less than a foot, so we'd use inches. For a football field, we would use yards. And if we were measuring a room, we'd use feet. Now it's your turn to try it on the Go Formative. Good luck.